The European Commission will present a huge package of legislative proposals on Wednesday to help achieve its goal of reducing carbon emissions by 55% by 2030. The plan, known as Fit for 55, includes new proposals but also a revision of many existing regulations. The EU emissions trading scheme is one of these existing regulations. It's the first and biggest carbon market in the world and a key tool for getting polluting industries to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. Now, it will be updated to increase its efficiency, as some sectors currently receive too many free allowances.
The polluters should pay for their greenhouse gas emissions, and this is currently not the case. Over 90% of all the emissions coming from sectors like steel, cement and chemicals are basically covered with free emission allowances.
The system works under one idea: the polluter pays. So companies from high-polluting sectors like energy power plants and industrial installations, they have to buy permits to emit. It covers around 40% of all EU emissions. One of the main changes in the new emissions trading system is the inclusion of maritime shipping. It doesn't currently fall under any carbon emissions reduction system, but it represents some 13% of all the EU's transport-related emissions. The sector is now angry, and instead wants a worldwide regulation rather than a European one.
Shipping is a global industry, so we have a strong preference for global regulations.
But climate activists claim that the international organisation in charge of it isn't moving fast enough. The Ship Owners Association agrees with the reduction goal, but asks to explore other options, like investing in infrastructure at ports, as well as the use of new fuels.
What we are discussing is the most effective way. For example, we suggest to introduce a specific fund under the EU ETS, and the revenues of that fund can be used in the shipping industry, for example, to do more research and development, but also perhaps to invest in infrastructure in ports, because ultimately to decarbonize, we need new fuels.
The plan also includes tougher conditions for aviation and internal EU flights. And this, according to the airline sector, risks significantly increasing the competitive advantage of non-EU airlines and non-EU hub airports. Chris Pitchers, Euronews, Brussels.